Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony headphones to an iPhone. First, let's make sure your headphones are ready. Always ensure your Sony headphones have enough battery charge before you start. Next, open your iPhone settings, tap on Bluetooth and toggle it on. It's also a good idea to keep your iPhone and headphones close, within about 3 feet for the best connection. Now let's get your headphones into pairing mode. For most Sony models, you'll press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds. You should see a blue LED light blinking quickly, or hear a voice prompt saying Bluetooth pairing. On your iPhone, under the Bluetooth settings, look for your specific Sony headphone model name in the Other Devices list and tap it to connect. Sometimes connections don't happen on the first try. If your headphones don't appear, try toggling your iPhone's Bluetooth off and then back on. Also, make sure your Sony headphones aren't already connected to another nearby device. If so, disconnect them. If problems continue, a hard reset of your headphones, often by holding the power and noise-canceling buttons for 20 seconds, can resolve many issues. To get the most out of your Sony headphones, download the free Sony Sound Connect app from the App Store. This app lets you customize your listening experience with features like equalizer adjustments and noise cancellation settings. You can also check battery levels and update your headphones firmware. Remember to grant the app Bluetooth access in your iPhone's privacy settings for full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.